Hey, good morning everybody. Hey, we just got done testing a nice intake here. We wanted to see a lower profile because this gentleman's put into a 99 Land Rover. So we needed a lower intake on this. This is our this is our 441 LS engine package. I'm sorry. I custom painted this all black intake, black valve covers, blackout kit on this. It ran fantastic. It made just under 700 horsepower and it made about 605 foot-pounds of torque. Our higher manifolds make a little bit more, but again, we only took it to 6,400. These camshafts are designed to go about 7,000 RPM. But the motor ran fantastic. We're happy. There's no water leaks, there's no oil leaks. Motor runs fantastic, and the customer's going to love it. So again, if there's anything we can help you with, give us a call. It's Wednesday morning. The election is now over. So again, we can all rest, and God bless America. Anything we can help you with? 1-800-267-3940. Peace. All right, Sergio, I got your 99 Land Rover Defender engine on the dyno here. It happens to be one of our LS 441s. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. It looks gorgeous and it runs fantastic.